Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to download and install lmstudio, a powerful app that lets you run local AI models directly on your Mac with a clean, user-friendly interface. Let's jump right into it. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the official lmstudio website, lmstudio.ai. On the homepage, click the button Download for Mac to begin downloading the installer. The download process will take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the .dmg installer file. A new window will pop up with the lmstudio app icon inside. Just drag and drop the lmstudio icon into your Applications folder. This will install the app on your Mac. After the copy is finished, close the window and move the installer to the bin if you want to free up space. Now, open Finder, go to your Applications folder, and launch lmstudio. Your Mac might show a security message saying, lmstudio is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Go ahead and click Open. lmstudio will launch, and you'll be greeted with the main interface. From here, you can search, download, and run different AI models locally. To install a model, simply browse the model library, pick the one you want, for example Llama 3, and click Download. Once the download is complete, click Run, and you'll be able to chat with the model right inside the app. No internet required and all processing stays on your machine. And that's it. You now have lmstudio installed on your Mac, and you're ready to explore powerful offline AI capabilities. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to Bit9 Tutorials, and drop a comment telling me which app or AI tool you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.